back to Anything is Possible. Today we are going trout fishing. They just stopped at 12.
We're hoping they just stocked today, so it's going to be a quick trip. I got 4 minutes left on the clock at work, and we're going to hit the door running. It's 5 o'clock, 25-minute drive, and it's going to be dark real soon. So we're taking our lights, and we're doing the fall limit now. It's 3 trout per day in Pennsylvania. So we're going to try to get some trout for the freezer, well, the smoker. And
hopefully.
Yeah, stay with us.
Peace.
All right, we're on the stream. We just got here. It's getting dark, and they definitely stocked. Lots of people here. Let's see what we can do. What's that? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we fished up there a lot earlier in the year. We got a 30-pounder out of there. Really? Yeah. We got in here and this parking lot was completely filled. So even though it's fall harvest, a lot of people out, but no one's catching them. So I guess they're just not biting yet.
I have a feeling that everybody's gonna leave at night.
Well, we ain't staying that long, but let's get down over this side. It's a school night. Let's see what we can do here. Yep, it's gonna be some of the most frustrating type of fishing when they ain't biting. And you can see them just sitting there. We're not here for the sport, we're here for dinner. Let's go. Well, that just happened. We got skunked. That happens to the best of us. We threw power bait, and that was it, because we had like 15 minutes before dark. We pulled in, the parking lot was completely full. We got down to the water. We went at the highest. If you go onto the Pennsylvania stocking website, we went to the East Branch Perky. They stocked tonight. We put the upper limit in of the map. Googled it, took us right to the lot, and that's the spot we worked. We didn't have a lot of time. Lot was filled, so got down there, we talked to people, and the consensus was 3 fish were caught. That was it. So good news is they're still there, and we're gonna try to go back out after them this weekend. But tomorrow's Friday. I work. Kevin's got school, so people are gonna be fishing for them all day. That's just part of the challenge of fishing for a non-challenging species of stock trout in Pennsylvania. But peace. Welcome to Anything is Possible. We are back on the creek after getting skunked 2 nights ago. It's Saturday morning, and Kevin's got a rainbow trout. We're fishing down here on East Branch of the Perkiomen. What'd you catch him on?
I caught this guy on powder bait.
All right, let's get him on the stringer. We're eating these, or else we won't handle them this way.
Hi.
This hawk right here just came down and tried to eat Kevin's trout.
First trout, please don't eat it.
We're guarding the trout.
If we catch one, we gotta keep guarding it.
I don't know if you can see that. That's ice. Very chilly. Fall trout. About 30 degrees out. It can be, fall trout can be pretty challenging. And we still got this this joker up here. I don't want to fish this spot, but I don't feel like moving the trout, and I have to guard it, so I'm going to keep fishing this little tiny hole. Look at this joker. Hey, hey, hey! My God! That's number 2. I'm going to try to do some filming, but we still have this joker right there. I put the stringer. I put the stringer on me, and he doesn't care. He's like right here. Video doesn't do it justice, but he's 5-10 feet away from me. 10 feet, I guess. All right, let's see if we can catch one live here, or I get attacked alive by the joker. Got the trout magnet on, counting the 5. little twitches.
I feel so scary, it's just gonna click down on me.
He might. He doesn't want you, he wants the fish. Ooh.
That was me. Well, why if we try to attack?
Yeah. 1-1, buddy. It's a tie. You got one, I got one. Yes, fish on, baby. Fish on. Nice. Gonna beach him when you just start backing up when he's ready. Don't reel in any further. Whoa, not too far. That's a bigger one. Nice. Now watch out for the joker's coming. The joker's coming. He swift. You didn't see him? I got it on film. He was like 2 feet above your head. All right, get him on here. Nice.
Swallowed it.
That's all right. We're gonna eat them, so try to get it out of there. I've got. So this situation has gotten worse. This joker here is aggressively trying to take my fish. I can't even move.
Shit.
Nope. Nope. You're a joker. All right, we're leaving the first spot. We're gonna go back to the car. I'm gonna get some coffee, some snacks, a little light breakfast. We're gonna head upstream and try our luck up there real quick. Kev's on the 2-1 lead. Yeah, they're in here. They're in here. We're gonna get one, guys. We're gonna get one. It's gonna take time. We'll get them. Nope, we'll get them. They're chasing it. Might have to change colors or something. Okay. Yeah, there's a good pack of them in here. There we go. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it a bigger one?
Ah, rainbow. It's a decent one.
Bigger?
It's a decent one. Yep. On the trout magnet. 2-2. Tied it up, home bro. Bring it.
I see this. I'm still on delete because I thought I'd seen it.
Here. Okay, folks, can he shut it down? Can he shut it down? Going for the win. First one to 3. I thought I muted that. That's Bro again. The old 1-2 from Bro. There's some up in here too. Yeah, you're right on in there. I'd cast a little bit up in up from that. To let it drift down there. Oh, what's going on here?
The tip frozen?
No. Oh, I got an issue. All right, let's go. Let's go. trout magnet is a real fun way to catch them. My favorite way to catch trout. I think I'm going to change the color. There's a pocket of them right there. Oh, yep. Oh man, this won't take long at all. This won't take long at all. If I could make a good cast, it wouldn't. Let's go. Here it is. Here comes the cast. This is when Big Papa wins the tournament. Kev's over re-rigging. If he doesn't catch a fish on the first cast, he's got to re-rig.
First cast, Cody.
All right. Second. See where those roots are right there?
Yep.
Put it as close to that as you can. That'll work. Yep, get ready. What did you put on?
That little red worm.
You got too much line out. You'll never even feel it. Yeah, they're in there thick, buddy. Right on them. Yeah, let's go, baby. Fish on. Yeah, he wins. He wins. That is a big one. Dang, kid. Nice trout. Nice rainbow? I think that's all the stuff. Okay. Let's get this guy on the stringer. Let's see. What are you using there? Show off your... Come right up to the camera and show off your lure.
Just using that little worm. It looks like a mouse tail, but it's not. It's one of those little scented red worms.
That's a power bait worm on a regular, like, number 8 hook.
Let's go.
All right. Hope the camera angle's right. I'm wearing it on my head today because my chest mount has broken. Make sure I'm not stepping on my fish here. It's a good decision to come upstream, wasn't it? Yeah. We moved around quite a bit and there's just not a lot of fish anywhere. These places get hit so hard during the week, nobody seems to work anymore. We came out and it was just like packed opening the day after they stocked. So I'm sure a lot got taken out the next day, but oh, yeah. Let me come back up here where I can see them again. I like trout magnet. I like to be able to see them.
Fishing with a trout magnet is a good idea.
Oh, it is. That's exactly how I do it. I've ticked them off into biting many a times. Oh, come on, come on. That one followed it all the way in. The other reason I like sight fishing them is you see them chasing it non-stop.
Yeah.
You might want to just quit if you didn't see, you don't think you're catching anything or there's any fish around. And if you could see your trout magnet, you'll see if there's a trout in the hole, you'll see them checking it out even if they're not biting it.
And this was definitely the best decision.
Yeah.
Look at us.
Look at us now.
How I fish is I put my tip real high, and as soon as I get one, I reel down fast and set it.
Oh God,
I just had one. As soon as I said I just had one.
he's giving us lessons. I better catch my third and be done with it before he gives me lessons the rest of the day. So close to taking it. Maybe I need a different color. Yeah, I'm gonna put a different color on. Going with the classic. This is the first color I ever used with a trout magnet. And I said, this looks so horrible. And proceeded to catch a trout on my first cast. Okay, here we go. New color. What? New color coming at you.
I'm supposed to catch 4 wins. I feel savage because you're the lucky spot.
There we go. Yeah, boy.
Okay.
No.
Hey, now you got me.
We're...
Now we're done. Now we're doing catch and wings.
Okay.
What?
There we go, baby.
They're slippery.
Slippery little devils.
I squeeze these out real hard.
Okay. Don't you go anywhere on me, buddy. Don't you go anywhere on me. Hey, 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 hey. I know. All right, we're done. We are done, folks. Bring them in. Okay, you want to get it? You can get them all. Don't bring them on the baits. Because you gotta let them go.
Can you hold this rod?
Yep.
I'll go here, it's wet. Just for you, buddy. Look.
Gentle with them, okay? You want me to get it?
Got it.
All right, let's get the release here. There you go, buddy.
He was right under those reeds.
Yeah, there's a lot under there.
I just saw one back of my spot. You're dead.
Oh! Took it right here. Yep. Yeah. He's feisty. See if I can pop him right off. Oh. Yep. There he goes. Hey. Don't insult my fish. Tie game again.
Yeah. Whoever ends up with the 4 fish at the end of this video wins.
Okay. Let's see if I can catch 2 in one live shot. Oh yeah. It's the same one. No, he's a little bit bigger. Holy mackerel. All right, let's get him in fast. Okay. Okay, buddy. Hold on, hold on. There he goes. It's 2. All right. Looks like Big Papa's in the lead.
They're gonna be like, why you would wait? Oh, I was just out
Comment below if you think Kev should go up there and play soccer. Kevin, what number were you on your soccer team?
I was always one.
Kevin was a really good soccer player. Played one season and said, I want to go fishing.
No, I played 2 seasons.
Did you play too?
I played since I was 3.
Yeah, you played.
So hold on, 5. So 5, 6, 7. Hold on. I played 2 years.
2 years.
So I played since I was 3, so hold on. No.
You played 2 years. You definitely played 2.
4, 5, 6. And I missed when I never played soccer when I was 8.
Alright, I'm gonna turn this camera off. One more cast with it. One more cast live. One more cast live.
Did you catch 2 live?
Yeah, 2 in a row in one clip. Going for 3. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah.
Got it?
Yep. Oh yeah, baby.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay.
That's a better one.
That is a better one. That's a better one.
Morning. Morning, guys.
Hey guys.
How's it going?
Pretty good. How you doing?
Hopefully good.
You guys just get out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
About 2 days ago, right?
Yeah. Talking about us today here. Here we go. Full stringer, 3 each, and a couple others for catch and release we let go. But these guys are going to home, go in the pan. It's a good
Bad
day.
news is we got attacked by a hawk.
Yeah, we got attacked by a hawk.
Like and subscribe, by the way.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Which way is it? This way?
Yep, straight up. You know what?
This way.
Yeah, let's go up that way.